My name's Nick Rowe, I'm with Doorlight Realty, and I wanted to welcome you to our newest listing at 19351 Saratoga Los Gatos Road in Saratoga, California. Now, the thing that comes to mind with this property is untapped potential. This property is going to be 1,700 square feet currently, and it sits on a mostly flat, full acre in Saratoga. Now, what that means is that the new buyer is going to have a lot of opportunities and possibilities on what they want to do with the home. They could build a big, beautiful dream home on a massive backyard because it is, again, 1 acre, or maybe even split the lot into 2 and have 2 homes in Saratoga. Reach out for questions or to set up a private showing.